Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the quick selection tool in Adobe Photoshop. If you guys haven't already, please like and subscribe. It means so much and it really helps out the channel. Anyway, let's jump right into it. Alright, so the quick selection tool is a great tool to use when cutting out a subject in a photo. So here, you're going to cut out the subject and we want to get rid of the background. So what we would do is we would take the quick selection tool and we would change the size to, obviously this, I mean, it looks like it fits, but it's a little bit too big. Find a size that works for you. I like to use 12. And then just start selecting the subject. You can start selecting the subject. And don't worry if it's not perfect. All you want to do right now is just get the subject selected and you want his entire body filled in. All right, so now that our subject's selected, we want to see how good we did. So over here, we'll come over here and add a layer and it'll remove the background. Now, as you can see, we have a few problems. It didn't get his shoe over here. It didn't cut out the little blue sky part here in between his arms. You know, it's cut places out, and this is all things that we can fix. So if we undo that, we can take the tool and we have the plus and the minus. These are used to add and remove spots. So we can go over here and we can remove this spot. I think the tool is too big, so I usually will lower it to about 3. Basically, you just want to go around your photo and add or remove all the spots that are kind of messed up. It did a pretty good job. It doesn't have to be perfect because at the end of the day, whatever you end up using the photo for, you won't notice it that much. So let's go ahead and finish the photo up. Alright guys, once you have selected the entire subject and you feel happy with the job that you've done, you can go ahead and go over down here to the Add a Mask button, and it will cut out the subject from the background. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. I can see a couple problems in here. I'll go ahead and fix those up, but overall the image is pretty good. You can't really see any of the background, and it cut him out pretty well. So really quick, we'll undo. We'll go down to the hair where it was messed up. We go to the subtract, and we just simply cut out the blue. Too much. Nice. I'm gonna go back here and do this one. And there you go. Go back, add the mask, and it is gone. So then what we have is we have the background, and here's a subject. So let's say you export as a PNG with transparent background. You go to File, you can go to Export. I usually do quick export as PNG, and then we'll title it, the name, and then layer. Then I'll usually throw it to my desktop. Sawyer layer.png, save. As you can see, it has a blank background and it's just a subject. And you can use this, reopen it in Photoshop, put it on top of another image, whatever you wish. And there you go. That is how you use the quick selection tool in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.